Hey guys, I was not gonna make a video about this, but halfway through this restoration I thought it's too beautiful not to be shown to the world. This is a Norwegian made chair from the 50s or 60s, and the company Skarbøs Lenestolfabrikk started by three brothers in 1949. They went bankrupt in 1979, the year I was born. They called it Viking chair for some reason. My main objective with this video is to preserve a piece of Norwegian furniture on YouTube. And just look at this amazing textile, way above my paycheck. My wife found it outside with a broken leg, and someone did a bad job treating the wood with some type of colored lacquer. This is beautiful teak and should be treated and shown as such. Just see what the armrest looks like now, and this is what they looked like before. This chair is a part of Norwegian furniture history and should be treated with respect. My restoration is not perfect, but I restored functionality to it by cutting and adding a missing wood piece underneath to support the broken leg. I started by sanding off the lacquer, and then I used a cellulose sealer and a hardwood oil. My last step now will be to apply some wood wax for final protective coating. And I will go through the whole process with the legs. As I mentioned earlier in the Frankenbowl video, restoring and repairing old well-made things is very important. This piece of Norwegian history found outside could easily have been destroyed by weather and then discarded at the nearest junkyard. I am glad my wife brought it in and that we were able to give it a new life and home. I hope you, my friends out there, will do the same. Save old furniture and stay off the consumer bandwagon. I will see you soon.